Yeah. Come on. Dude. That dude poops on my camera. I'm gonna be pissed.
Guys, have more if you need it.
Catching it in the air. How cool is that?
Are you getting them?
All up in my face.
Freeman, do you want some more? Got some over there.
Oh God. He caught it in the air.
Not round, it's right here. Get up, please. Come and get it. Pass me some.
Okay, your son's stupid. Because all the Seagulls picked it up before he did.
What the heck? That's mommy. Can I do that? Give me some. Do we bring them more? Not today. I want you guys to run through them together, okay? Ready? Got to it. Step. Run.
Hi. And there's Katie.
Get the free bread.
Are we gonna go get French fries and stuff now?